Hi everyone, how are you doing today? Today I would like to show you how to make a strawberry fix. It's been raining the whole day and it's definitely getting colder, but I decided to use my last chance probably for this year to put my hands on fresh strawberries and make this delicious drink. It's very simple and easy to make recipe, and we only need bourbon, a simple syrup and lemon juice with the addition of a few strawberries, of course. So let's not waste more time and get started. We're gonna take few strawberries, 4 to 5, and we're gonna chop them. So for me, if we make it in slightly smaller pieces, it's easier to deal with it later on. 2, 3. Smells really good already from the strawberries. Okay, and 1 more. Of course, if you want, you can use frozen fruit, or you can put less if your strawberries are bigger, or if you don't want it to be too much strawberry notes. Okay, so now comes the tricky part. And I really hope I will not break this glass, since I really like it. We gently muddle inside the glass. Try to push kind of towards the center and the stem of the glass, where it's stronger, the structure. Kind of to make a little bit of puree. I think that's enough. And we're gonna put some crushed ice. I really need to get a scoop, but the other day they were huge, the ones in the shop, so I decided to pass. And now there is ice everywhere. Okay. We're gonna put that aside, and in our shaker we're gonna put 2 ounces of bourbon. The other day I saw this Legend bourbon that I haven't tried before, and I will use it today. So 2 ounces into the shaker. Smells really good. And then 3/4 of an ounce, or 22.5 mils of simple syrup. And the same amount of 22.5, or 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice. We're gonna add some ice. There. I'm spilling it everywhere. Okay, and this chunk as well. And we're gonna shake a little. So we try to shake until we dissolve it all. Okay, and we're gonna dump it all inside. But to be honest, I was worried my glass will be overly big, but I'm happy I chose this glass. We top it up with more crushed ice. The ice falling around will be good for my thumbnail. Looks good to me. And to decorate, we're gonna put a single strawberry on top and a straw. So let's give it a try. You can feel the sweetness of the bourbon, but also for me at least, the strawberry flavor comes as an aftertaste. So what really stuck with you at the end is the strawberry flavor. I've done this drink in the past substituting the bourbon with the dark rum, and it also works fairly well. So you can give it a try with rum as well, but the original recipe, as far as I know, calls for bourbon. That's what we use today. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the recipe. Please like and subscribe, and hope to see you next time. Bye bye everyone.